In the world of modern aviation, two aircraft dominate the skies, the Airbus A350 and the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. These two airliners represent the future of long-haul flying, combining advanced technology, incredible fuel efficiency, and passenger comfort like never before. But what exactly makes them so popular among airlines and travelers around the world? Let's start with the basics. Both the A350 and 787 were designed during a time when airlines were looking for something new, planes that could fly long distances, but with lower fuel costs. The era of the giant four-engine jets like the Boeing 747 and Airbus A380 was coming to an end. Airlines needed something smaller, lighter, and more efficient. That's where the Dreamliner and A350 came in. One of the main reasons for their popularity is fuel efficiency. Both aircraft are made mostly of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, a lightweight composite material that is much stronger than aluminum but far lighter. This allows them to burn up to 25% less fuel than previous generations. In a world where every kilogram matters, that's a huge saving for airlines. Then there's the range. These jets can fly nearly anywhere on Earth without stopping. The Boeing 787-9 can travel around 14,000 kilometers, and the A350-900 can go even farther. This makes new direct routes possible, like London to Perth or New York to Auckland, without passengers having to stop somewhere in the middle. These long, thin routes are exactly what modern airlines want: fewer stops, more convenience, and lower costs. But efficiency isn't everything. Passengers love these planes for one big reason: comfort. The A350 and 787 both have higher cabin pressure and humidity compared to older planes. Normally, airplane cabins feel dry and stuffy because of low pressure at high altitude. But these aircraft are built strong enough to maintain a pressure equivalent to only 6,000 feet instead of 8,000. That means less dehydration, less jet lag, and an overall smoother feeling during long flights. The windows are another reason people love the Dreamliner and the A350. The 787 has the largest windows ever installed on a commercial airliner, and they don't even use physical shades. They're dimmable at the touch of a button. The A350's windows aren't dimmable, but they're still large and let in a lot of natural light, creating an open, airy feeling inside the cabin. Noise is also a big deal. Both jets use new generation engines, the Rolls-Royce Trent XWB for the A350 and the GEnx or Trent 1000 for the 787, designed to be significantly quieter. Combined with advanced aerodynamics and flexible wingtips that bend beautifully during flight, these planes not only look elegant but also fly much more smoothly and silently than older jets. From a pilot's point of view, both aircraft are state-of-the-art. They use advanced flight control systems, fly-by-wire technology, and massive digital displays in the cockpit. The A350 even has side-stick controls like other Airbus models, while the 787 keeps Boeing's traditional yoke. Despite their differences, both offer highly automated and safe flight experiences. For airlines, these jets opened up a new era of flexibility. Instead of filling 500 seats on a huge 747, they can now fly smaller, fuel-efficient planes like the 787 or A350 on more routes, connecting secondary cities directly without needing big hubs. This concept, known as point-to-point travel, changed global aviation networks forever. Since their introduction, both aircraft have become bestsellers. The Boeing 787 family has received over 1,800 orders, while the Airbus A350 has more than 1,200. Airlines like Qatar Airways, Singapore Airlines, British Airways, and United all rely on them for long-haul operations. In many ways, they have replaced older aircraft like the 777-200ER, A340, and even the 747. And perhaps most importantly, these planes represent the next step in sustainable aviation. With lower emissions, quieter engines, and better fuel burn, they are key players in reducing aviation's environmental impact while still connecting the world. So, why are the Airbus A350 and Boeing 787 so popular? Because they are not just airplanes, they are symbols of a new generation of flight. Lighter, quieter, smarter, and greener, they define what modern air travel should feel like. Whether you're a passenger, pilot, or aviation enthusiast, it's hard not to be amazed every time one of them takes off into the sky.